find that one specific piece of gear on a massive Chinese marketplace, but you realize the site is entirely in the language you do not speak, and they do not ship to your front door. This is the exact wall that many international shoppers hit every single day. Shopping agents like Kakobuy exist to tear that wall down, acting as your personal buyer and your logistics hub right in the heart of the action. They give you a way to access platforms that are usually strictly off-limits to anyone living outside of the country. You send them a link, they handle the transaction, and the item arrives at their facility. One of the coolest parts of this process is the quality control phase. They actually take high-resolution photos of your items so you can inspect them before they ever leave the warehouse. If the logo is crooked or the size looks way too small, you can deal with it right then and there instead of waiting weeks for a disappointing package to arrive. This service sounds like a total game changer, and for many, it really is. However, you have to look at the full picture before you get too excited. The price you see on the screen is rarely the final price you pay. Once you add in the service fees, the currency conversion, and the mountain of international shipping costs, that bargain might not look like such a steal anymore. The shipping industry is volatile right now, and costs can fluctuate wildly depending on the weight and the size of your box. I've seen plenty of people get hit with sticker shock at the final checkout. This is exactly where the mixed reviews start to pile up. While many users have a seamless experience and get their items in record time, others have reported some serious frustrations. We are talking about delays that stretch for weeks and customer support teams that are slow to respond when things go wrong. Some users have even mentioned issues with their accounts being flagged or shipping charges that felt way higher than the initial estimate. Because of these inconsistencies, you really have to do your homework. Do not just take their word for it. Go and compare their current shipping rates with other big names in the agent world. The market is crowded, and sometimes another provider might have a better deal for your specific region. If you decide to give them a shot, the smartest move is to start small. Test the waters with a single item that you are not in a desperate rush to receive. This lets you see how their communication works and how long the actual transit takes without risking a massive amount of cash. Make sure you use a payment method that offers strong buyer protection as well. This is your safety net. Legitimacy is one thing, but a smooth customer experience is another. This firm is a real company, not a scam, but they are clearly going through some growing pains based on recent feedback. If you go in with realistic expectations and a bit of caution, you can find some incredible deals that you simply cannot get anywhere else. Just keep your eyes on the total cost and keep a close watch on your tracking numbers. It is a wild world of global commerce out there, and having a reliable partner makes all the difference. Do not get blinded by a low price tag on a screen. Factor in the time, the potential for stress, and those extra fees that always seem to creep up at the last second. When you find an agent that works for your specific needs, it opens up a whole new way to shop. But getting there takes a little bit of trial and error. You want to be sure that your hard-earned money is actually buying you the quality you expect, not just a box full of disappointment that took 3 months to arrive. Stay sharp and keep your shopping smart.